Sizokhuluma izwi likaNkulunkulu.
Today we're going to talk about Jesus the Lord.
Kunezinto oyifunako emhlabeni.
There are things in the world that you need.
Ufuna ukuba yiphoyisa.
You want to be a police.
Ufuna ukuba uthishela.
You want to be a teacher.
Ufuna ukuba yisoldier.
You want to be a soldier.
The problem is act ngendlela ofuna bangilengiyo leyo nto leyo.
You don't act the way that you want that thing to be given to you that way.
Ufuna kuba unkosikazi.
You want to be a wife.
Ufuna kuba baba wemuzi.
You want to be a man of the house.
Act wena ngendlela leyo mina ngendlela ocabanga ngendlela ofisa ngayo.
You don't act the way that you wish to act like that.
Wena ufuna kuba yiphoyisa but uact kwesigebengu.
You want to be a police but you act like a thief.
Ngokwesebandeni.
Amen. In the name of the Lord.
Niyangizwa?
Amen.
Niyangizwa? Amen. Kuna ngoma ethi vula inhliziyo khona ocungothayo.
There is a song that says open your heart. There is someone in the door that is knocking.
Amen.
Amen.
This child lo mntwana lo she is talented.
Amen.
Kusimbusisa.
Amen.
Nawe you are talented.
Amen.
Nawe unesiphiwo sakho ophiwe sona.
You also have your gift that you are gifted by God, the talent.
Amen. Kungenzeka agcine ayimillionaire ukuthi ayisebenzena abe nemabhizinisi.
One day she might become a 1 millionaire and start her own businesses.
Nawe unetalenta lakho.
And you also have your talent.
Njengoba emela
as she is before you.
Akusho ukuthi muhlebe or umkhume kahle.
It does not mean that you need to gossip about her and badmouth her.
uNkulunkulu uyakuzwa ukukhala kwakho nemadlozi ayakuzwa ukukhala kwakho.
The Lord hears everything that you say, even if you feel sad or whenever you cry.
The problem is uma amadlozi afika kuwe noNkulunkulu kufika kuzokupha lento okhala ngayo ukuthola ubhizi ngendaba zabantu.
When the ancestors and the Lord is here to give you what you wanted, you are busy doing things that are not applicable to what you were supposed to do.
Niyangizwa bazalwane?
Amen.
Khoyisa uyangizwa mfundisi?
Amen.
Ngifuna mama Ngomezulu ukuthi ngenye lamalanga ngibone ngiphambili umhlaba wonke.
I want someday Mama Ngomezulu to be in front of the whole world.
Ngifuna ngiacte ngendlela lena nami engisho ngayo.
I want to act the way that I say.
Nazi ukuthi isingisi khuluma ngabantu abasindisiwe kuphela.
Only know that English is only spoken by the people who think that they believe in Jesus.
Noma usayona ungasikhuluma singisi.
Even if you believe in church in Zion, you can also speak English.
Noma usayona ungaba nezipika ebandleni lakho.
Even if you're in Zion, you can have your own system.
Akusho noma usayona usasa ulahliwe.
It does not mean that you have been forbidden.
Kunabantu bangena enkozweni ngoba babona ukuthi there's something ekhona ngaphakathi leyo nkozo. Leyo nkozo outgradile. Emazawoni abana ipika, abana keyboard, abana sound, abana electricity. Now ungakuza lokho yize uyisayona singayibukeli phansi.
There are people who only go to church because they see some other churches that they have upgraded things. Not because they want to be in church, but because of the upgrading that they have.
Mabe sebandleni.
Amen.
Ashenhlombe. Into ungayisho nami bese yenzeka.
You can say something and then it happens.
uNkulunkulu uyakuzwa ukukhala kwakho.
The Lord hears whenever you cry.
Nyamandoza uyakuzwa ukukhala kwakho.
The ancestors.
Nathi inkinga yakho nditha ama chance.
Your only problem is that you only take chances.
Ubulawa ngona.
You are greedy.
Ubulawa ukopa.
You are copying.
Umuntu angathenga imoto noma imoto ayifuna.
When a person buys a car, you also want that car.
Angatheshada wena complain ukuthi ayikho into bezoshwela ngaphela eviki.
When a person gets married, you just complain, you just say they will be.
Umbuzo uthi. The question is. uNkulunkulu ubuza ukuthi kanti kahle kahle wena ufuna ini emhlabeni?
The Lord asked that what exactly do you want in the world?
Ufuna ngikwenzele ini?
What is it that you want me to do for you?
Uyakubala okubalayo.
You can't whatever that you want.
Namadlozi akubuza amadlozi.
Ancestors ask you the same question.
Akuthi ufuna ukwenzela ini mntanami?
They ask you what is it that you want us to do it for you?
Uyakubala ukubalayo.
You count whatever that you count.
Uthi umbuzo kaNkulunkulu nemadlozi.
The question of the ancestors and the Lord.
Ingani nubhizisela abantu?
You are busy gossiping about people.
Ingani ubhizi ukugwaza abantu?
You are busy stepping people.
Ingani ubhizi uthakatha abantu?
You are busy with crafting people.
Manje makunika lento oyicela uzoyisebenzisa kanjani?
When he give you the thing, will you use it in the way that you ask me to give it to you?
Wena ufuna umshado manje.
You want marriage.
Ufuna lotsholo.
You want to ulotsholo.
Ngiyakunikeza ke mina naku manje.
I give you now.
Umbuzo uthi
The question.
usanini ngohleba kweyobhizi ngokuhleba le indoda ifuna ukugejimela sehlebeni kunika kuphi kahle kahle yini ingangezi vele ukuhleba vele uhlebe once